15 lakhs in Japan. International caregiver jobs now open. 80 plus candidates already placed. Visit us today to know more.
Meghalaya High Court aga kandai tarik ujallio arajar arpunrio kalapan mi ya kahukum ban pelaj no ya arngut kibrio kibla syarai Pynrem mensua na kebuka dema kepadai halor kejingja tombor kabla ja hak jaka yang basor ra yomau long Shillong hau benai leber jong snam arajar khatway kebelawan ra kejingyap jong wei brio Kat Division Bench bala clear daw Justice W. Ding do hababishar ya ke Criminal Appeal number 59/60 jong snam arajar pusau kala Pynkhyllem no ya ke rai Pynrem bat ke rai pen saja kabla ai da ke Additional District but Session Judge East Khasi Hills District persya yo Louis dot todong bar Comius dot todong kat kum kemukadma hak arpau terig leber arajar arpunrio ke jia ka jia kala mi halor ke jia kan at ke bayadai bat ke jing sew by parking bat ke ni ke jia ka jia kala kelalong ke jia kan at ke bejur hapadeng arkun hun kibrio Hakati kejing ja urijiat kor kalang ulum mensau jur, bat Hadien lapen ket yu Civil Hospital Shillong hendrai ulaklat no. Hakajing toket ki pulit kila mudoi persa ekte ki arngot hapok ke section 304 bat section 34 jong ke Indian Penal Code. Ke trial court kala Pynrem yaki bat hukum ya baro arngot ban syaset patok hado stansnam ringkat ke kuna ke balai po hajar tingka. Haba persya ekte ke rai jong ke high court ki nong kerpat kila ong ba omdan ki saki ki babiang ban pen sisa badai maki ki bla pen mensau yo baklat. Kila buru ke jing keli halor ke test identification parade, bat halor ke jing biang kisaki jong ke prosecution. Hadien ke jing bisharnya ya kisaki bat ki kot kisla ke high court kala ong. Bawat la kisaki kila pen itu ya ki nong kerpat kum ki badan bentah ha ke jing tombor henry. Om dan setia manu pat na pedeng kisaki ki bala kedau syai manu bala pen mensau ke balam syaka jing yap. Ke court kala kedau ru babun ngot ki beri kila dan bentah ha ke jing jia. Henry ki wei pat ki nong syak kena om syam lala ban itu ni ban kem. Kekai pot postmortem kala pen i bo nong yap ula syak pen mensau da ki tiar banap Henry ke high court kala syampat bo om dan ki saki ki pasai ban penti kena badai kini ki arngut ki nong kerpat ki bla pen mensau bat lam syaka jing yap urigit kat kum ke high court kala Pynkhyllem no ya ke rai Pynrem bat ke jing pen saja bat hukum ban palat mardor yo Louis dot todong bat Comius dot todong pat kala betha ban pen trai kam ya ke hukum bat pen kut no ya ki jing kerpat Hakanok pai sengi jong kespotrek jalio araja arpunrio kini ki arngot kila mi na Shillong District Jail. Kumban syukdo bau Louis dot todong udiu Presiden kahinyo trap National Youth Movement HNYM hakapor bola syak rai Pynrem hau benai nai wing jong snam araja arpusau bat urang bat ya kani ke kam haduk menta ke sengi bola mi na along. Hakajing mi jong hine ki argon na along lawan ban syau yaki degi bahayeng bat ki paralok lembat ki dekot na ka movement.
Regarding the High Court has acquitted Louis Dong and Comius Dong of the case that has happened in the year 2011 and subsequently the trial went on. I did not do the trial, somebody else did the trial and they were convicted for we call it 304, section 304 and then they were sentenced to 5 years of imprisonment. Subsequently they were not happy with the they were aggrieved with the order of the order of the conviction. So I have filed an appeal for them and we did the argument. We say that there was no evidence against the Todong brothers and so the court was also of the view that there is no credible evidence against both the brothers. So the criminal law is as such that if you want to convict somebody you must have evidence beyond reasonable doubt. So in this case there was no credible evidence against the two brothers. So accordingly the Honorable High Court has acquitted them of the alleged murder case.
So regarding the release, is there any condition or?
No, they are clean. They are cleaned. There is no case pending against them. They are as clean as before the FIR was filed against them.
Hadien, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ika dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya